In today's video, we are going to be sublimating on this Dollar Tree sequin mermaid stocking. Isn't this so pretty? I am confident that we'll be able to see the image better than the other sequin ones that we've done, since the sequins are lighter. So let's get started and see how it goes. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about crafting on a budget. I do Cricut, sublimation, and kid craft videos. So if any of those things interest you, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification button to be notified every time I upload. Don't forget there is a giveaway going on, so if you want to be reminded about those rules, stay tuned till the end. Okay guys, let's get into the video. Okay, so I have the design here that we're going to use on the mermaid stocking. These were super hard to find at first, but now my Dollar Tree carries a bunch of them. So I'm just going to cut the little tags and plastic part that come on them. And there is a cardboard that comes inside. I actually think I'm going to leave that. And for this, we're going to have to put butcher paper inside of it, because there's a whole back side. So I'm pretty sure you can sublimate on this side, and this side. So depending how the front goes, I might put a picture on the back. So I'm gonna do the name up here, and then I'm gonna do this design down here because my daughter loves Minnie Mouse. Who else can relate? So I'm gonna start first by actually getting butcher paper to put inside. And I save all my butcher paper, like the small scraps, they come in handy sometimes. Okay, so we're gonna slide that inside. And do you guys remember why we're doing that? We're doing that so that the ink does not go onto the other side. Again, you want to make sure all your sequences are faced the right way. So before, we were having them the other way so that it would be like a surprise. But because the outer sequences are lighter, I'm gonna do it on the outside, so you'll be able to see it right away. And I think that'll just be better. So this one's not more of a surprise. It's gonna be the first thing you look at. So I'm just turning all my sequences. I don't know, these top ones might not go down, so I'm just gonna leave them because they don't seem to want to stay down, and I'm not going to fight with them. So I'm going to pre-press this for maybe 10 seconds and we'll be back to put the images on them. So I'm going to let this cool down just a little bit, and I want to lint roll it as well. So I'm going to let it cool down a little bit because it's a little too hot to put our design on it, and we'll come right back to this. So I can put this back in if I want to. So I'm going to lint roll this top part because I can tell there's some lint on there. And again, lint turns blue. So let me see, which way does this go? This way? No, this way. Okay. Okay. So now I'm gonna cut up the name. Take her name, and oh no, Mr. Paper, where are you going? Mr. Paper is trying to escape. I'm gonna take the name. I'm gonna make sure that it's, you know, on the right side and all, and then I'm gonna take my heat tape. This dispenser is from Amazon, by the way. The name, I'm just gonna heat tape that. I actually think that's enough. Then I'm gonna cut out this image, and we're just gonna place it like that. I'm gonna flip this over so I can tape it, and also kind of see where Minnie's feet are at and all that. gonna make sure that I'm getting as much of the sequins as I can. Some of them are tucked over here. And we're just gonna tape it. Just gonna do 4 pieces of tape. We can move on to the heat press with this one. Okay, so now we're gonna do our stocking. I have butcher paper on there, but I'm gonna change it because it has ink on it and I don't want it to get to the back of the stocking because the back of the stocking is sublimatable. Is that a word? Am I making a word? Sublimatable. I'm gonna assume that's a word. Or maybe I'm just a genius making up words. I don't know. Okay. I'm putting it paper side up. I'm gonna take my craft paper, cover it, and press it at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. Okay. I'm just gonna lift up a tiny corner, hold it, lift it up, make sure it adhere, it adhere, make sure it sublimated. And like I said, don't forget to pre-press because pre-pressing can actually help with ghosting, okay? Oh, that's so cute. So I'm going to put it to the side and then I'll show you in a second. Be patient. So I love how it turned out. It's so vibrant. Like the pink is just so vibrant. Do you see that? I love it. I love, love, love. You can see it so much better than I thought you would be able to see it. And I know my daughter's gonna love it. It's so, 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 so cute. This is great for little kids. Like, great, great, great. I just love it. I loved how it turned out. Let me know down below if you guys attempted to do these as well. They also have these in red. And I think the sequence is silver in the bottom as well, so those might be harder to see the design, but these are perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Love, love. I'm really obsessed with this. I know my daughter's gonna love it. She loves Minnie Mouse. Turned out perfect. No ghosting, nothing. It just looks super, super good. So if you enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the bell notification button so you'll be notified every time I upload. And don't forget to enter into the giveaway to celebrate 500 subscribers, even though we're way past that now. And yeah, keep watching the 10 days of Craftmas. They will pretty much be all Dollar Tree sublimation videos. So keep your eye out for that. I love you guys. Oh, and if you forgot the rules to enter the giveaway, they will be coming up after this clip. Okay, bye guys. So please excuse my appearance right now. I am editing and I realized I never gave you the giveaway rules. They were in the bottom. They're in the description box, so make sure to look. They were in the bottom of the first video in the 10 days of Craftmas. So the giveaway starts on December 16th, so it already started by the time you're watching this, and it ends on December 26th, so the day after Christmas is your last day to enter. And here are the rules. You have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. You have to be following me on Instagram at EdenGraysDesigns.co. It will also be linked down below, and you got to be following my Facebook page at LeslieIrene.xoxo. And most importantly, you got to be commenting and liking on every single video in these 10 days of Craftmas. I will be checking, and you need to do all of those in order to be entered into the giveaway. And yeah, good luck. Thank you guys for supporting me. I cannot believe that we are almost at 800. I'm not sure if by the time this video goes live if we are at 800. We might be. But thank you guys so much for your support. It means so much to me. And this giveaway is just a little way of me giving back to you guys for you guys supporting me. Like, I'm getting emotional. This is just my way of giving back a little bit. It's not a lot, but thank you so much for supporting me. It means so much to me, and I love you guys. And good luck on the giveaway.